Hi guys, it's Ian here, and today's video is going to be my July recap and my August update for my nail polish project for 2019. It's more of a roulette project, not really a project pan, but I do have some polishes that I am panning. But we might as well just get started with that. I haven't even really touched the project pan ones. I used one of the sparkly ones, but that was it. So we're not even going to talk about the project pan ones. I'm going to try and get through this video really quickly because I have a foster dog right now. We're on day 4. And it's been a bit of a rough go. I'm not even sure if I can get any filming done, but I'm going to try my best to get this video done. He's a sweetheart, but we've got some things we're working on. He's just a young pup. He's only about a year old, so he's got a lot of energy. But I bought him a new toy today, and he is loving it. So even if that toy only lasts for today, it was a well worth it purchase. I'll see if I can link what the toy is below. If I can find it online. He really likes to chew, and he's mouthing quite a bit, so this toy is really good for that. Anyway, total digression, let's get into nail polishes. So for July recap, July was the month of pink, hence the pink lipstick, and hopefully it's distracting from I probably don't look very good today. Like I said, I'm trying to film really quickly. So for nail polishes, the ones that I'm definitely keeping is this Sally Hansen Hard as Nails in Coral Reef. I'm pretty sure this one is still available. So really, really nice color if you're looking for that like peachy pink color, great for summertime. The Sinful Colors one is on the maybe list. I do like this color a lot, but I have another one that I like better in the same-ish shade. So I don't really see the point in keeping that one. But I want to think about it. The one that's in the similar color is this one, Drew, and I've worn this quite often. I think I even have an Instagram picture from like a couple of years ago, one of my first ones, wearing this nail polish. So yeah, one that's an obvious keeper for me is this one called Cancer from Julep. Unfortunately, it's not available anymore, but it's such a lovely color. You can see I've used quite a bit of that one as well. Another one that I really, really like. Ironically, I'd like this for a nail polish, but I hate it for a lipstick. In the latest BoxyCharm, I got I think it's called Santorino, don't quote me on that, from Ofra, and I actually got rid of a lipstick that's very similar to it. It's like that bright pink, but it's got like the purpley blue shift. That's what this nail polish is. It's Hot Magenta from Sally Hansen. This one might still be available as well in some places. I love it as a nail polish, but I hate it as a lipstick. I actually think I decluttered a similar type of lipstick in my lipstick collection video thing that I did. One that again I'm on the fence is this one called Fuchsia Power from Sally Hansen. It's on my toes right now. Actually only on the big toes because that was the only toe that I could finish with the Foster being here because again he likes to mouth and feet are a favorite. So I don't know. It's a weird pink compared to the other pinks. It's more very blue based, and I don't know. I don't really love it. So it's on the maybe. That one probably will be decluttered. One that's definitely being decluttered. I'm sorry, girl, but Vicky, I hate you. Don't take it personally. I wore this at the very beginning of the month, and I feel really bad saying this because I had my coworker. She always comments. She knows that I'm doing this project. If you're watching, hi Agnes. I don't know if she actually watches all my videos, but I know she does watch some. She did comment and really liked this one. I don't like it personally on me. It's okay. It's a nice bright color, but again, I'm just like, it's not really me. So I don't know. I guess if you want this one's a pretty nice one. A similar one, actually, a better one that I would prefer to give away because it's not that old is this one. It's the same, almost the same shade, but the formula of this one's really, really good. So I would definitely be interested in buying more of the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. I am super impressed with this formula. I would definitely consider buying more nail polishes if I didn't have a bajillion in this formula. I really, really like it, but this color, again, not really me. So that's the July nail polishes. Now let's get into the August nail polishes. So I've gone back to my regular routine. I did 4 picks and I did 4 randoms. My picks actually I did a little bit differently. I didn't actually look at the nail polishes. I went through my list and picked. I knew one for sure off the top of my head I wanted to pick, and the rest were just kind of like, I think I'm going to pick those. Random's getting a little bit difficult right now because I'm starting to dwindle down, so it's like picking the same ones, and I have to like keep pressing random to get a new one. Anyway, let's get into the picks. So my first pick that I knew I wanted to do was the Deborah Lippmann. This is Mermaid's Dream. This was in an Ipsy like whenever I had Ipsy, which was like 4 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. Anyway, so a lot of people probably have this one. It's the only Deborah Lippmann nail polish I have. I wanted to use this in July, actually, because I feel like it's a very, very summer July polish for me, but because I did the whole pink thing, I didn't choose it. So you can see I sort of used some of this one. Not a lot, but it's not a very big bottle, so I mean, this is probably like 4 uses. This is what the Deborah Lippmann one looks up close. This one's like a bit of a textured one, but I actually don't mind this, and I think it's really, really pretty. It's super unique. So the next one I picked is this Color Workshop nail polish. They don't have any names or anything. This one I called Rose because I feel like it's a very rose-like color. I picked this one because I still have about 4 or 5 of these that I haven't used yet, so I definitely want to get using these ones. I haven't been too impressed with the formula of these, so we'll see, but I feel like I really like this color, so at least from the swatch, so I'll just find a swatch here. That's what it looks like on the swatch, and I think it's such a pretty color, so I'm definitely looking forward to wearing that one. The next one that I picked is this one called Yiyi. It's Y-I-Y-I. It's a holographic jelly, and I'm pretty sure I don't really care for this formula because it's kind of like that sheer jelly type formula. But we'll see. I might try and blend this. I think this month is going to be a month of like doubling up on nail polishes. I think I might try this over top of another one. This is what it looks like on the little card. I don't know if you can see that it's very sheer on the little nail thing. So I might try and double up, maybe with that rose color. And my last pick was this one called Farrah. Off the top of my head, I couldn't think of what this actually looked like, but it was like a purpley thing. So I'm like, okay. See if you can see. It'll focus on this guy. This is what Farrah looks like on the nail card. So I don't know. It seems kind of nice. They call it a satin finish, which I can kind of see where they get that from. Sorry, that one's not called the satin finish. It's called the silk finish. The one that's called satin finish, and I see why they say this, is it's kind of dull on the card. So this was a random pick. This is the color Quinn. It's like Stormy Gray Nights. As you can see, I haven't really used this one much at all either. And this is it on the nail card. So I think you can see like it's not very shiny at all. So I don't know. I think I might try and, again, double up nail polishes with this one. Maybe try it with Yiyi and see if I like it like that. I mean, just kind of looking at the bottle, I kind of like the way the color looks, but I'm not sure I like the finish. So it'll definitely be one that I'll have to use a top coat with or something else and see if I like it that way. The last Julep nail polish, this is one that I know I really, really like. This is called K. Again, unfortunately, I bet you most of these are not available anymore. Hopefully you can see on the close-up there that I've used it quite a bit. And this is what K looks like on the little nail card. And then the last two I want to talk about are both Sally Hansen ones. They're very different. One is called Fire Opal Nail Glaze. I could have maybe put this in a top coat category, but it does have quite a bit of color, and I think when you layer it up, it definitely looks like a nail polish. Thank you. And then the next one, again, was like, do I put this as a top coat? It's this like Sally Hansen Luster Shine in the shade Lava. Sorry, the other one I think is called the shade Opal. So they're both very similar. Again, I'll probably have to double this up, but I can't figure out which nail polish I would double this up with. Maybe K. Or maybe I'll grab another nail polish that I've already used, or possibly maybe I'll get back to using my Project Pan nail polish because I think these will both work with that. So this one is, so you can see even when I move my hand there, like they're sheer. This one is Opal and this one is Lava. So the Lava one is a bit, I don't know, they're very similar. I'll definitely probably be keeping both of those because I got them from my mom, so I don't want to get rid of them. So, okay, so there is the 8 nail polishes for August. We're back to totally random. It's actually a very pretty color combo, though. It looks very 70s to me for some reason. Anyway, that's it. Somebody's getting a little rambunctious behind me and needs some attention, so we're going to go play for a little bit, and hopefully I'll be able to edit this video later and post it. I hope you like this video. If you did, feel free to give it a little thumbs up down below. I hope you have a fabulous day. I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.